Hello everyone and welcome back to TechNuovo. My name's Steph and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because I never do just straight off the cuff recording to camera. I've always got some kind of script or some kind of bullet point system that I'm reading from as a script, but this is going to be completely off the cuff and I just wanted to do this because I wanted to show off my prize. I know what it is, but I'm going to leave it as a surprise to you watching this video. So I won this from SuperShow Jonesey, and SuperShow Jonesey is a giveaway channel here on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go and check it out for yourself. And he essentially gives away prizes. Now the way quickly his videos work is he chooses a prize, he packs it in multiple boxes, and then unboxes that packaging live on video, and he runs them as premiere videos as opposed to VODs, just so it gives the audience a chance to guess what's in the box in the live chat, and whoever guesses right first wins the prize. He goes through the chat. Whoever guesses right first wins the prize. I took part last Saturday and I was sent this, and I received it in the post today. So I'm going to be cracking on getting this open because I know what's in it, and I'm excited to open it, so I hope you guys are excited watching this as well. Probably not. While I'm unboxing this, I will let you know as well that SuperShow Jonesey forms part of a trio called the Super Show, which is a podcast here on YouTube, and you can find them. Blimey, I can't even get into the sellotape. There you go. You can find them on your favorite podcast apps like Spotify, Apple Podcasts or iTunes, and a few weird ones that no one probably ever listens to. But they're on there, and he forms part of the trio, and they're a bunch of dudes that talk about games and talk about films and just are generally very entertaining. I very much like listening to their podcast, so definitely go and check that out as well. Again, I will leave a link in the description below. Now, I am making an absolute meal of getting into this. That was a lot harder than it should have been. So, I am in. I'm not going to turn the box around because I've got address details on this side and none of you are getting those details. Just sneaky audience. Anyway, here it is. Resident Evil Funko Pop number 157 in all its glory. As I say, I knew what was coming, and Jonesy actually opened it on his channel as well. But just to show off to his audience what the prize was. And it is Nemesis himself holding his bazooka in that famous scene in Resident Evil 3. It is a Resident Evil 3 Funko Pop, by the way. And according to Jonesy as well, he's told me it's a bit of a collector's item, as these are quite uncommon. Okay, so this is it, and I love it. Absolutely love it. It's definitely going to be made. It's going to be given a new home. Take its pride of place. Is that the saying? Take its pride of place on my shelving unit back here. But the actual detail is absolutely amazing. I've just been getting into Funko Pops. Funko Pops are a new thing for me. I never really spent any time looking at them. And I've got a few others as well. I've got some Mandalorian, Disney's Plus's new show, The Mandalorian. I've got a couple of those. And they're inside the house at the moment. They're not in the studio. But they might come out here as well to join Nemesis on the shelf. I don't know yet. They're on my shelf indoors. So let me hold that up if I can get enough lighting on there. If you can see that. I'm looking in my monitor just to see if you can see what you can see. If I stick it on top of the box, can you see that against my t-shirt? Looks awesome, right? Looks absolutely awesome. So this is... Does his head move? Yeah, boy! His head moves as well. So he's going to be looking out to the side, I think. Looking at the audience while facing inwards. He's going to take a place next to Crash Bandicoot behind me on the set, so you can see him illuminated by the light. Thank you very much for sending that through. That is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love it. And yeah, if you're interested in winning cool prizes, then head over to SuperShow Jonesey, his YouTube channel. I will leave a link down below, and also check out his podcast as well, the Super Show podcast. But yeah, absolutely wonderful prize. And as I say, it's made it onto the set of TechNuovo. So thank you very much. And also thank you very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, then hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech, gaming and unboxing videos now. We've done an unboxing, an off-the-cuff unboxing. I'm feeling good. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought of this video. Give us some feedback. Let us know if this is something you would like to see more often on this channel. Because I've certainly just had a better time not reading from a script and just talking off the cuff. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. As I say, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.